This video will give you the skills to balance the marital property spreadsheet so that no equalization payment is necessary. I will use Jack Romantic's marital property spreadsheet to make adjustments. In an earlier tutorial, the marital property spreadsheet, you saw that creative divorce documents automatically calculated the equalization payment. Looking at the preview, Jack's total assets and liabilities equals $327,106, while Suzanne's value is $482,144. This requires an equalization payment of $77,519 from Suzanne to Jack. In terms of cash and semi-liquid assets, there is sufficient money to meet that equalization payment. But shifting those assets in full would leave Suzanne with little or no money or significantly reduce the security of her retirement funds. Suzanne's total cash position is little more than $3,700, and the equalization requirement totals some $77,000. However, there is another source from which to easily help balance the spreadsheet. The marital home, which is to be sold, has an equity of $291,100. We apportioned $145,550, or one-half, to each. Shifting to Jack additional home equity in the amount of the equalization payment, $77,519, eliminates the need for Suzanne to pay Jack any equalization payment. While that lessens the amount Suzanne receives from the sale of the home, it preserves her USAA retirement account of $135,000. Let's see how that is done. In the real estate holdings dialog, we can reduce Suzanne's share of the marital home from $145,550 to $73,031 by changing the entry for Jack and increasing his amount by $77,519 to $223,069. If we now preview the spreadsheet, we can see Suzanne's entry on the marital home is now $68,031, and the equalization payment is $0. Both parties receive the same amount in total net assets and liabilities. Thank you for viewing this video. Take time to review any of our other tutorials.